look what just came. My pack. And it's listed as 3 pounds, and that's kind of not what I'm expecting. I don't know why this says orange. I hope they sent me the right pack. This is not at all what I'm expecting. So I'm hoping we didn't screw this up, because I would end up having to wait this out again. Okay, so 2 things. Number 1, the reason it says 3 pounds is because I got all the accessories. I got like the pockets, the hip belt, padded, all of the accessories. So I did get it in purple. These are the hip belts. Cool, huh? That's only if I really need them for heavier weights. I just got them. They're clip-on. They're really easy. They feel heavy though. They do. They feel like probably 1 pound. I also got, these are the straps. So these come separate, and they have, there should be sternum straps in here as well, but these will attach manually. They're so soft. Oh my God, I can't believe how soft these are. And then you have the pack. Now I got it in purple. You knew I would, right? This is so cool. So this is the pack. This is the main pack. And it's got a lot of clips and stuff going on here. Oh, that's the Y strap. That's the front of it. It's in purple. And the pocket at the bottom is in purple. And so, yeah, let's have a look at it. So what are my first observations on this pack? Number 1, I love the material. I chose the EPL 200. So it's a grid stop fabric. I also noticed that it's one piece. So like from here all the way around to here is one piece. And then there's only another piece here. So there's only 2 pieces for this entire pack. I find that really impressive because there's no seams, right? The less seams there are, the less likely it is to leak. Now, I'm still going to use a Nylafume liner or some kind of liner to keep my stuff dry. The other thing I noticed is right here, this is one big pocket. It goes all the way around. There is no separate pockets. Most packs have separate side pockets and a front pocket, right? This doesn't. And you can set the tension on it too. So here you can actually use this line lock with a bungee cord to loosen or tighten off this this front panel. The back is the front. Does that make sense? It's been like that forever. I always make mistakes with it. The other thing I notice about this, which is really nice, is this front pocket attaches to the top. So you'll never lose stuff out of this pocket here. Also, there is a little connector for a shelf. There's a little shelf pocket here, very soft. And you can put ditty items in there, tent stakes, all kinds of stuff. This is quite nice. Also, and I'm hoping it's there. Please tell me it's there. It's not. Why is it not there? There should be cords here for an attachment system to attach a little pad so that I can put that up against my back. The other thing I notice is this daisy chaining all along the back for me to be able to set the width of the shoulder straps onto the pack, which I love. I absolutely adore this. This is one of the main reasons I bought this pack. One of my biggest complaints about backpacks in general is they're made for men. And so the straps are wide. So as women, we have to either pull them in with the sternum strap to squeeze it in, but then that changes the angle. And oftentimes that strap will rub on the ball of the shoulder, this part that sticks out a little here. I have a big problem with that. Even the Z-Packs women's, I had a problem with that because it was still too wide for me. I have very narrow shoulders, apparently, I guess. I don't know. And then I love this big pocket at the bottom for snacks and so on. This is going to be amazing for me because it's so much easier to just reach down and grab it as opposed to going down through the side, which is fine too. Don't get me wrong. I think that's amazing. So anyways, let's get this together. Let's get the straps on it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the pack on me. As you can see, it rides a little higher. I think I'm totally matched now. I think all that's left to do is probably just have purple pants. I did take the hip belt pockets off. These just clip on, but I don't really need them. I have all these pockets here. So what I've done is, guess who gets to ride up front again? Check it out. Bax is in full form. He's happy. He's a happy camper. I don't like the strap under here. It's kind of, I got to work on that a little. If I get the whole pack to ride a little higher, then this might come down a little more, you know. So, but I will say this for all the women out there, this is so soft. It doesn't bind at all. It's not, it may look a little strange, but it's not. It doesn't feel strange. Let's just put it that way. But we like to have this just underneath your bra strap, ideally. So, other pockets. So there's 6 pockets on these. Right now I just have my gloves down here in this pocket. I have small items here like my sunscreen and my hand sanitizer and my lip balm. And then up here at the top, because there's 6 pockets, up here at the top I've got my Garmin InReach Mini. It just sits there. And then over on this side, of course, you got Bax, of course. I don't have anything. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, sorry, yeah. Down here, it's a little cinch. It's nice, it tightens up. I have all my electrolytes. And I could actually put a couple of little bars, you know, snack bars or whatever. And, oh wait, I have electrolytes. Oh, sorry, no, that's not electrolytes. That's just ditty items. Like right now, there's some Imodium in there. I didn't snap this on, but you do have a snap here. So I can snap this tight so nothing falls out. But I have electrolytes in there right now. So this is how it looks. And then I have this pouch in the back. So this is where my snack items will go. Maybe my gloves if I need my gloves during the day. Or if it's going to rain, I could put my rain gear here. Right now my rain gear is inside. And the other thing you got to notice that you have to know about Nashville packs is that I just found out their ratings for sizes are actually the pack itself. Most companies, when they say 40 liter, this is a 40 liter. Most companies, when they say 40 liter, what they're saying is it's maybe 25 here and 8 and 8 there or something, you know what I mean? Like they add all the pockets together to come up with that number. I was quite surprised when I got this pack, how big it was. I was shocked. I would have bought a 30, honestly, if I had have known that the main pack would be this big. So, but the nice part is because everything's removable, the straps, etc., I don't have to spend all that money anymore. I can just buy the pack and keep my own straps and just put them on as I want. And while we're on the subject of the straps, I have them set here, very narrow. But if you look at the pack closely here, you'll see that I have all these loops all the way across. You can set them up any way you want. There's one in the middle. Now, I have these as narrow as I can get them, okay? And so what this does is it brings the straps into a more comfortable position for me, right in that little crease. This was absolutely the main reason I bought this pack. I love my Arc Haul, great pack, but it was wearing the skin right off of me here. No amount of Leukotape could help it. So that was very nice. This carries so comfortable. These straps are so soft and so wide that you don't even feel the weight, even though it's not a lot of weight. I have 5 days of food in here. I think it's 5. And I also have my stove. You can see the stoves in there. The only thing I don't have is a 1-pound tent and an 8-ounce sleeping pad. That's it. That's all that's in. And right now, this is sitting at 16 pounds. So I'm probably going to be under 20 pounds for the rest of this hike, or at least I want to be. That is the goal. You know, I'm going to send the other pack home. I think I'm already convinced myself that the other pack's going home, and I am going to go up trail with this pack all the way. So anyway, this is my first impression of the Nashville Cutaway. This is the 40-liter Nashville Cutaway, and I love it so far. But I will do a full review later on of this pack as I go up the trail, and I've got a few hundred miles behind me. I think that would be the best way to honestly evaluate what this pack is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this, and let's go get it.